Welcome to Channel 4 News. We are reporting live today at 3:30 a.m. in the morning. Because who is drunk here beside me?
Rafael Paeng Jose Isabelo.
Because what did he drink tonight at many quantities?
Gilbey's Premium Strength with green tea extract.
Oh my god.
Okay. Or the reporter's drunk.
The reporter is not drunk. I am straight as a line.
Okay.
Excuse me, but this is the person that's drunk. Can I get a close-up, please?
Okay. What's his
So,
name?
how do you feel today?
He
Doesn't feel like
Is he going to talk?
Can't answer
You
it.
can't answer the question.
He is sound asleep
Okay.
because of...
The Gilbey's beer?
Yes. So, did you have fun today, Angelo, Jose, Isabello?
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Because I'm with my brothers and my cousins and my friend over here,
Okay.
Who
okay.
is your friend tonight?
Eric.
Okay.
And
My cousin Yula and JV and my brother Paeng right here sleeping and AJ.
what happened at the bar that is the reason why Paeng Isabello could not go back inside
Oh
the
my
bar?
god, that's
Because he's too drunk and
he's trying to
he,
steal.
he tried to steal this girl from another man. This really fucked
Try
up.
Excuse me, but somebody on the other side of the east
Hey.
He's trying to
What's the answer? Okay. Who's that guy?
nasa Visayas, reporting live from ABS-CBN Iloilo.
You just said MBN for my
You just said China boy.
Channel go.
Yeah, you're drunk, you newscaster.
JB reporting live from ABS-CBN Visayas.
Okay. He has his own microphone. Okay, go ahead, dude.
What's the question, man?
What's the question?
What do you feel right now?
Okay, what do
I
you feel?
feel so good, man.
Oh.
It's
Why did Rafael Jose Isabello get kicked out of Gillies Island, the Mas Muerto Club?
because Rafael Isabel tried to steal the girl with the boyfriend on his side and dance with him and there.
There.
Okay. And then, who else was with us? AJ Isabello. AJ? Okay. Are you guys sleepy?
No.
What do you guys want to do?
Dance.
What do you
Anything.
want to talk about?
Ghost.
No. Get scared. So, this is reporting live from Pan Pacific, Malate, Manila. Yula Isabello, thank you very much for tuning into our station. Good night.
Hey.